Are you noticing more hair in the shower drain or some thinning around your crown or temples? It might not be stress or aging. The real culprit could be DHT. DHT, dihydrotestosterone, is a natural byproduct of testosterone, but when levels are too high, it binds to hair follicles and causes them to shrink. Over time, those follicles stop producing strong, healthy hair, and that's when thinning becomes more noticeable. This doesn't just affect men. Many women, especially after menopause or during hormone fluctuations, experience DHT-related hair changes too. The good news? At Rejuvime Medical, we offer targeted therapies that help block excess DHT and preserve hair health. From hormone optimization to peptide support, we personalize your plan based on your unique hormone profile. It's not just about vanity, it's about confidence, prevention, and getting ahead of the problem before it progresses. Hair thinning doesn't have to be permanent. Ask us how we can help block DHT and restore your confidence at the same time.